Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion with Key. So today's video is going to be everything about your lip care. So I am blessed with really good lips. So if you're someone whose lips is not on point, then it is preferably told that you'll have to take care of your lips. Your skin on your lips is really good care of it is again essential. So I'm going to show you guys two-step routines. So one is your scrubbing, another one is the mask. So scrubbing, I'm going to give you two options, and mask is really basic and simple. So you just need three ingredients which is already at your kitchen. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. You can see my lips, it's dried up a little. So firstly, what I'm going to show you guys is a scrub, a DIY scrub. So here I've taken a little bit of coconut oil and sugar. So coconut oil moisturizes your skin. So what you'll have to do is just gently scrub it. So this is one way of scrubbing your lips. So you can use it twice or thrice whenever you just feel like your lips are dry. So another alternative way is going to be something different. That is a scrub which is instant with just 2-3 minutes. So what I'll be using here is Vaseline. It's a petroleum jelly. So what I'll be doing is just apply it a little and leave it for like around 10 seconds and scrub it with such scrubbers. You can use toothbrush, but I don't feel the brush bristles of the brush is smoother for your lips. There is high chances of you getting rashes or some blood clots and blood out of your lips. So I prefer using such stones. So you just have to scrub it. So this one you can do it every time before you apply your lipsticks. So anytime if you're done applying the lipstick, I know matte lipsticks are really good looking, but at the same time it makes your lips very dry. So what I do is every time I remove my matte lipstick, I do this routine. It's really good, and it doesn't require any tinted lip balm. Your lips look like a strawberry, to be very honest. So once you're done, wipe your lips with a towel. You can see the result already. Step is going to be a mask on your lips. So this one you can do it overnight, you can do it whenever you feel your lips are chapped. You can do it on a regular basis. You can skip lip balm and do this one. What you need is just honey or ghee. So I like using ghee. So ghee has a kind of oily texture in it, so this improves your color of lips, and also instead of the Vaseline or any other lip balm, this is amazing. It gives you the glossy look on your lips. So here I have a hack for you guys. So whenever you're run out of your lip gloss or any sort of lip balm or something, ghee is the best alternative. What you'll have to do is just, melt the ghee and apply it onto your lipstick, or you're run out of lip balm and your lips is chapped and you'll have to sleep. So at that time what you can do is apply ghee and leave it overnight. This will give you soft pink lips every single time. Trust me guys, try it once and comment it down below. I'm sure most of you will like it. What I'm going to now do is remove the extra ghee on my lips. You guys can see the results. So after all this, what you'll have to do is lip balm. Lip balm is must. So I like using the basic Vaseline petroleum jelly. I'm not a fan of tinted lip balms or something. So I just have Vaseline. So yeah, I'm done with my lip care routine. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, please feel free to DM me on my Instagram. I'll link my Instagram handle down below. And you will get so many content even on my Instagram. Don't forget to check out my page. So yeah, until next time, stay tuned, take care, bye bye guys.